The most important and frequently asked interview questions for the civil and structural engineering student is why do we use response reduction factor while calculating the seismic forces? So first understand the concept and then I will tell you what answer you have to give during the interview at the last. So watch till the end. Designing a building to resist completely the earthquake forces elastically is completely uneconomical and it requires a lots of money and a lots of concrete structures and a big sizes of the columns and beams, which is completely not acceptable. So the engineers thought, why to resist these complete forces? Let us dissipate this energy through the deformation of the concrete or steel structures. This property of deforming of any structure beyond the elastic limit is called as ductility. You may have also heard about the ductile designing of any building. As per Indian code, there is IS 13920, which covers the ductile designing of RCC structures. And because of this ductility, code has given various factors of response reduction so that the earthquake forces, actual earthquake forces values can be reduced to some extent, and the remaining earthquake forces will be dissipated by the deformation of the building. And ductile designing means providing additional reinforcement to the structures so that the structure can deform, but it should not collapse. Now, where does this response reduction factor is used? You may have seen to calculate the horizontal acceleration due to the seismic forces. Its equation is AH is equal to Z by 2, SA by G, and I by R. Here, the R factor in the denominator is the response reduction factor. So whenever anyone asks you, why did you reduce the actual earthquake forces during the seismic design? So simply you can answer that the earthquake forces are very massive as compared to the gravity and wind force, and it is very impractical and unfeasible to construct for that heavy load. And by providing ductile designing, we ensure that the most of the earthquake forces will be dissipated by the deformation of the building inelastically. Depending upon the level of ductility provided in the building, we use the response reduction factor. So higher ductility means higher response reduction factor and lower seismic acceleration. So thank you for watching. And if you are looking any civil and structural engineering job, then just join the WhatsApp channel. The link is given below, where I used to post the daily job updates in the various platforms. Thank you.